Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. So at my agency, a tool that we use a lot, and seemingly a lot of advertisers and other agencies don't, is the Performance Planner, which is built into Google Ads. And we will use this tool when a client asks us a question like, okay, so I'm getting about 25 leads per month or conversions, and but I'd like to increase that to 40. And so this tool is very useful in that respect because you can just go in and you can tell Google you want to have 40 conversions from a particular campaign set. What would that look like, right, in terms of ad spend? And it's a forecasting tool, so it's not going to be super accurate every time, but it's going to give you a good ballpark range. So it's very useful. So anyway, I'm just going to do a very simple example, and I will probably come back and shoot more videos of this, different ways that you can use the tool. But this one's going to be that scenario that I just suggested. So you come into Tools and Settings, Performance Planner. You have a list of any previous plans, and then you go ahead and create a new one. We're going to do this for next month, which will be November. We're going to use, this client has a whack of campaigns. We're just going to use their Performance Max one because it's the simplest scenario. And we'll go ahead and click Create. And what it does is by default, it's just going to assume you're keeping the same budget and the same target if you're using one, and give you the number of estimated conversions for November. And keep in mind too that this number may not match what you're trending to in October because there may be other things that influence this, such as seasonality, competition, and things that Google is projecting. So that's where part of the power of this tool is. It's not just simply, oh, well, if you spend this much this month, you're going to get X, and then next month you're going to get Y. More goes into it than that. But anyway, we can see here that the projection is 33 conversions at 164 bucks, and here's the ad spend. So we said we want to go from 25 to 40. We'll make it 33. We'll go to 45 in this example. So I'm just going to go on the chart, and I'm going to click on 45, and there we go. So you can see, we now are projecting 45 conversions. The CPA goes up quite a bit to $191, and the budget becomes 8.6K. So, significant increase in CPA, significant increase in budget, and then I can go back to my client and say, this is kind of what we expect if you want to go for 45 conversions, versus that I think it was 33 before, which is here. So you can see very quickly you can get an output. You can then download this and send it to your client, or if you're doing it yourself, obviously just keep this on hand. And you'll get numbers in here showing the increase over CPA, the number of increase of conversions, and what have you. So that's probably the simplest use case for this tool. I hope that you find that beneficial, and I will see you next time.